Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy F16 5G. So it's the latest addition to its budget lineup series. So first let me see what's written on the back of the box. As you can see, the MRP written here is 16,000. I mean, like 15,919 and almost 16,000. But I got this at around 11,500 in Flipkart without any additional discounts or any card discounts. So it wasn't basically an open box delivery, so they have already opened it up in front of me to check if there were any issues. So let's open the box. So first we get the Galaxy 5G, I mean the F16 5G itself, the device. So let me so this is the phone. I have turned it on. So we get a polycarbonate back with a matte finish. It looks good and resists any fingerprints. It comes actually in 3 colors: electric blue, graphite black and mint green. It's the graphite black color. Power button, and you'll get the fingerprint here only. So the charging point, speakers and the mic. So let's start the device. First let me set it up. Show you what's inside the box. So here we get some basic documentations like user manual and the same ejector tool. Here are just some basic user manual guides and etc. And we get a type C to type C cable, like it's compatible of 25-watt fast charger. So we don't get any adapter here. You have to buy it additionally. It will cost you around like 1,500 to 1,600 and nothing else. So yeah, these were the contents of the box.